Have you ever found yourself lost in contemplation, pondering the very fabric of existence? It was one quiet evening, much like countless others, when I found myself enveloped in deep thought, questioning the nature of reality and the intricate dance of life. After years of traversing through texts, experiences, and moments of profound insight, something profound struck me. Knowledge isn't a lone entity, it's a tapestry meant to interconnect. It dawned on me that what we perceive as separate strands of wisdom and understanding are threads destined to weave together into a comprehensive whole. Let me take you on a journey where ancient wisdom meets the enigmatic world of quantum mysteries, unraveling the interconnectedness of Hermetic philosophy and modern scientific exploration. Understanding Hermetic philosophy. Hermetic philosophy, rooted in ancient wisdom attributed to Hermes Trismegistus, encapsulates profound principles guiding existence. At its core lies the principle of correspondence, stating that patterns in the universe reflect each other across scales, mirroring the macrocosm in the microcosm. This principle aligns with both ancient mysticism and modern science's holographic universe theory, suggesting an interconnectedness shaping reality. Hermetic teachings emphasize the concept of unity, portraying everything as part of a harmonious whole. This unity reflects the interconnectedness of quantum particles, echoing quantum entanglement, where particles remain connected regardless of spatial separation. Hermetic philosophy, entwined with spiritual insights, advocates the idea of mentalism, the notion that the mind shapes reality. This aligns with quantum mechanics' observer effect, where the act of observation influences the behavior of particles. Furthermore, the principle of vibration in Hermeticism, highlighting everything as energy in motion, shares common ground with quantum physics, acknowledging matter's wave-particle duality. Hermeticism's emphasis on the power of thought and intention echoes the quantum field's responsiveness to consciousness, proposing a correlation between consciousness and material reality. Moreover, the ancient wisdom of Hermeticism encompasses the principle of rhythm, depicting cyclical patterns in nature, reminiscent of quantum fluctuations and oscillations seen in subatomic particles. This correlation emphasizes the interplay between stasis and change, resonating with quantum states transitioning between energy levels. Exploring quantum mysteries, quantum physics, a cornerstone of modern science, delves into the intricate nature of the universe at its smallest scales. The realm of quantum mechanics challenges traditional Newtonian physics, introducing perplexing phenomena that defy classical logic. At the quantum level, particles exhibit behaviors that blur the lines between classical physics and metaphysical implications. Central to quantum mysteries is the concept of superposition, where particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed, echoing a fundamental Hermetic principle: the potentiality of all things existing within the realm of possibility. Additionally, the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, where particles instantaneously affect each other's states regardless of distance, seemingly defies our classical understanding of space and time. This concept echoes Hermeticism's notion of correspondence, suggesting a hidden connection between seemingly disparate elements, transcending spatial constraints. Moreover, the uncertainty principle, proposed by Werner Heisenberg, states that one cannot simultaneously know a particle's position and momentum with absolute precision. This principle aligns with the Hermetic concept of rhythm, indicating an inherent unpredictability and cyclic nature in the behavior of particles. The conundrums of quantum mechanics, such as wave-particle duality and the probabilistic nature of quantum states, challenge our perceptions of reality. The quantum realm's mysterious properties hint at a deeper, interconnected fabric underlying existence, resonating with the foundational principles of Hermetic philosophy, where the microcosm reflects the macrocosm and consciousness intertwines with the fabric of reality. the mystical nature of consciousness. Consciousness, the enigmatic essence of human experience, remains a subject of fascination for both spiritual seekers and scientists. Hermetic teachings propose that consciousness plays a pivotal role in shaping reality, echoing the idea that the mind acts as a powerful force in the creation and manifestation of the world around us. This aligns with quantum theories that suggest an observer's consciousness influences the behavior of particles, highlighting the interconnected relationship between consciousness and the material world. Moreover, the Hermetic principle of mentalism, emphasizing the power of thought and intention, resonates with the concept of the quantum field, suggesting that consciousness interacts with an underlying field of potentiality. This concept parallels quantum theories proposing that particles exist as probabilities until observed or measured, implying that consciousness may collapse these probabilities into observable states. Exploring the profound nature of consciousness within Hermeticism and quantum theory offers a bridge between spirituality and science, emphasizing the role of human perception in shaping reality. This convergence invites contemplation on the nature of consciousness as a fundamental aspect of the universe, intertwining the spiritual and scientific understanding of our existence. Alchemy and the transformation of being. Hermetic teachings encompass the ancient practice of alchemy, which transcends its conventional association with transmuting base metals into gold. Alchemy symbolizes a profound spiritual journey of inner transformation and enlightenment. At its core, alchemy represents the quest for personal evolution, aiming to transmute the human psyche from its base state into a higher, more refined form. The alchemical gold symbolizing spiritual enlightenment. This symbolic journey parallels the transformative processes observed in quantum physics, where particles undergo metamorphosis, transitions, and transmutations. Alchemy's emphasis on inner transformation echoes the quantum understanding of particles transitioning between energy states, suggesting that personal evolution mirrors the transformative nature observed at the quantum level. The allegorical language of alchemy, with its emphasis on the union of opposites, symbolizes the integration of polarities within oneself. This echoes quantum principles that recognize complementary dualities, such as wave-particle duality, suggesting a fundamental interconnectedness between seemingly opposing aspects. The parallels between alchemical symbolism and quantum transformations emphasize the universal nature of the transformative journey, inviting individuals to explore their inner alchemical processes and undergo personal evolution, aligning with the cosmic patterns observed in both ancient wisdom and modern science. Astrology and cosmic influences. Astrology, an ancient practice intertwining celestial movements with human affairs, holds a significant place in Hermetic philosophy. The belief in cosmic energies shaping human experiences echoes the principle of correspondence, suggesting a relationship between celestial events and earthly occurrences. Astrological symbolism, planetary alignments, and zodiacal influences are interpreted as reflecting archetypal patterns and energies that guide individual destinies. From a scientific perspective, astronomy studies celestial phenomena, emphasizing the gravitational influences and interactions between celestial bodies. While modern astronomy differs from traditional astrological beliefs, both acknowledge the influence of celestial bodies on Earth's environment and cosmic connections. The exploration of retrograde motions, planetary transits, and astrological houses aligns with the Hermetic idea that celestial movements correlate with cycles of growth, transformation, and inner development. The symbolic language of astrology, reflecting cosmic archetypes and planetary energies, parallels quantum theories that acknowledge the interconnectedness of the microcosm and macrocosm. Alchemy and inner transformation. Alchemy, a multifaceted discipline, encompasses spiritual, philosophical, and proto-scientific elements. Rooted in Hermetic principles, alchemy seeks the transformation of the self and matter towards perfection, embodying the axiom, as above, so below. At its core, alchemy delves into the transmutation of base elements into higher forms, symbolizing the quest for spiritual enlightenment and self-realization. Historically, alchemists aimed to create the Philosopher's Stone, an elusive substance believed to possess immense powers, including the ability to transmute base metals into gold and grant immortality. Beyond the literal interpretation, the Philosopher's Stone serves as a metaphor for inner transformation, the awakening of consciousness, and the union of opposites within oneself. The process of alchemical transmutation often involves stages like calcination, dissolution, separation, conjunction, fermentation, distillation, coagulation, and ultimately, the Philosopher's Stone. These stages mirror psychological and spiritual growth, representing the dissolution of the ego, the purification of the soul, and the integration of one's inner polarities. From a psychological perspective, Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung regarded alchemy as a metaphor for the individuation process, a journey towards self-discovery and wholeness. Jung recognized alchemical symbolism as reflections of archetypes and the unconscious, interpreting the alchemical stages as psychological transformations necessary for personal growth and integration. Modern interpretations of alchemy emphasize its relevance in inner alchemy, where the practitioner seeks spiritual evolution through inner work, meditation, and introspection. This parallels the concept of spiritual alchemy, where individuals strive to transmute their consciousness, evolve spiritually, and attain higher states of awareness. Sacred geometry and vibrational frequencies. Sacred geometry is an ancient practice that explores geometric forms and patterns imbued with symbolic and spiritual significance. It delves into the inherent order and harmony found in nature, the cosmos, and the fundamental building blocks of existence. Within this discipline, geometric shapes like the flower of life, Metatron's cube, the Fibonacci sequence, and the golden ratio hold profound meaning. These geometric patterns are believed to represent universal truths, embodying the blueprint of creation. They are seen as the language through which the universe communicates its underlying principles, revealing the interconnectedness of all things. Sacred geometry resonates across various cultures, religions, and spiritual practices, emphasizing the inherent unity and harmony in existence. Vibrational frequencies, on the other hand, are the energetic signatures or oscillations emitted by all matter and energy. Everything in the universe, including thoughts, emotions, and physical objects, emits a specific vibrational frequency. This concept aligns with the idea that everything is energy, and each frequency carries its unique qualities. The link between sacred geometry and vibrational frequencies lies in their resonance. Sacred geometric shapes are believed to emit harmonious vibrations that align with the fundamental frequencies of the universe. These vibrations can influence consciousness, facilitate healing, and enhance spiritual experiences. The study of cymatics, for instance, demonstrates how sound frequencies can create geometric patterns in matter like sand or water. This phenomenon illustrates the profound effect vibrations have on physical substances, suggesting a direct correlation between sound, geometry, and manifestation. In a spiritual context, the use of sound, chanting, or toning specific frequencies, such as the solfeggio frequencies, aims to harmonize and balance the body, mind, and spirit. Practitioners believe that attuning oneself to these frequencies can facilitate healing, meditation, and spiritual growth. Understanding the relationship between sacred geometry and vibrational frequencies provides a pathway for individuals to align with higher states of consciousness, tap into the innate wisdom of the universe, and elevate their spiritual experiences through resonance and harmonization. The cosmos invites us to continually seek, question, and delve deeper into the mysteries that shroud our existence. Let our minds remain open, our curiosity unquenchable, as we continue to decipher the profound secrets that lie at the intersection of ancient wisdom and the frontiers of science.